Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn about the Northern Plains. The Northern Plains are an important physical division of India. They are situated to the south of Himalayas. These plains are known as the Indo-Gangetic Plains. It is one of the most fertile regions of the world. It is about 2,400 kilometers long and 240 kilometers to 320 kilometers broad. These plains are flatlands formed by the silt deposited by the Himalayan rivers and their tributaries. They are suitable for growing a variety of crops. Tributary means a stream that flows into a larger river. Did you know the northern plains are known as the football of India because most of the food crops are grown in this region. An area watered by a large river and its tributaries is called a river basin. The northern plains consist of three river basins: the Ganga basin, the Brahmaputra basin, and the Satluj basin. The Ganga basin covers the states of Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and parts of Jharkhand and West Bengal. River Ganga begins its journey from the Gangotri Glacier. It is joined by many tributaries like Yamuna, Gomti, and Son. When River Ganga enters West Bengal, it splits into two branches. One branch flows through Bangladesh and is known as Padma. The other branch flows through West Bengal and is known as Hooghly. The Brahmaputra basin is formed by river Brahmaputra. The river originates in Tibet and flows parallel to the Himalayan mountains as Sangpo. Brahmaputra enters India through Arunachal Pradesh, where it is called Dihang. Then it flows through Assam and finally enters Bangladesh. Here it joins Ganga before entering the Bay of Bengal. The two rivers form the world's largest delta called the Ganga-Brahmaputra Delta. A delta is an area of land where a river breaks into several smaller parts before entering the sea. A delta is usually triangular in shape. The Satluj basin covers the states of Punjab and Haryana. The Satluj basin. The main tributary of river Satluj is Beas. The places situated on this basin receive little rainfall. The Bakranangal Dam is built on river Satluj to provide water for irrigation and to produce electricity. Irrigation means the supply of water to crops through various means. Now I am going to tell you about importance of the northern plains. The northern plains are best suited for agriculture as the soil found here is very fertile. Crops like rice, wheat, sugarcane, millets, jute and maize are grown in this region. The northern plains are flatlands and thus they facilitate the building of roads and railways. The northern plains are not very cold, unlike the Himalayas, and are inhabited by many people. Various crops are grown in the northern plains. Now you know why the northern plains are densely populated and often called the football of India. Words to know: tributary, a stream that flows into a larger river. River basin, an area watered by a river and its tributaries. Delta, an area of land usually in the shape of a triangle, where a river splits into several smaller rivers before entering the sea. Irrigation, the supply of water to crops through various means. Let's practice. Part A. Give one word answer. First, the highest peak in the world. Answer is Mount Everest. Next, a route through a mountain. Answer is Mountain Pass. Next, a low area of land between ranges of mountains or hills. Answer is Valley. Next, the glacier from where River Ganga originates. Answer is Gangotri. Next, a stream which flows into a large river. Answer is tributary. Part B. Write true or false for the following statements. First, the southernmost range of the Himalayas is known as Himadri. False. It is known as the Shivalik range. Next, hill stations are located only in the Greater Himalayas. False. Next, River Ganga splits into two branches when it enters West Bengal. True. When River Ganga enters Bangladesh, it is known as Sangpo. False. It is known as Padma. The Satluj basin covers Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. False. It covers Punjab and Haryana. Part C. Short answer questions. First, what is the location and extent of the Himalayas? Answer. The Himalayas are present in the northern part of our country. This range is bordered by the Karakoram and Hindu Kush ranges in the northwest, the Tibetan Plateau in the north, and the Indo-Gangetic Plain in the south. The Himalayas stretch from east to west from 2,400 kilometers. Next, which is the northernmost range of the Himalayas? By which other name is it also known? Answer. The northernmost range of the Himalayas is the Greater Himalayas. It is also known as the Himadri range. Name any 4 mountain peaks situated in the Himalayas. Answer. Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Nanga Parbat and Nanda Devi are 4 mountain peaks situated in the Himalayas. Next, how does the Shivalik range differ from the Himadri range? Answer. The Himadri range is covered with snow throughout the year. The Shivalik range is made of mud, sandstone and soft rocks. The Himadri range is not suitable to grow crops because it is covered with snow throughout the year. The Shivalik range is well suited for growing crops. List the states covered by the Purvanchal Range. Answer. The Purvanchal Range covers the states of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Tripura, Nagaland, Meghalaya and Mizoram. Next. Which two rivers form the world's largest delta? Answer. Rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra together form the world's largest delta, the Ganga-Brahmaputra Delta. Home fun. Find out the name of the glacier from which river Brahmaputra originates. Revise what we have learned in today's session. We will meet in the next session. Bye everyone.